Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic of today's presentation is the teaching of main points of Surah Hujurat. So Islam is the religion of Muslims and it teaches compassion and tolerance for Muslims among each other. It is the most just religion in the world. It not only urges Muslims to be just among each other, but also to the non-believers. It emphasizes on a society where people have love, empathy for each other. So the main teaching of Surah Hujurat teaches to respect other members of the society and feel compassionate and loving about each other. It teaches us not to believe every single rumor and investigate it for believing it. To be just, to not make fun of each other, to not call names and do not taunt each other on shortcomings, to not talk bad behind someone's back, to not be competitive and jealous to each other. Basically, it teaches us to respect each other and not fight amongst ourselves. It teaches us to be tolerant and being just. It teaches us the important etiquettes of the society set by Allah Almighty Himself. Most of all, it teaches us to be respectful to all the Muslims and some of the non-believers of the society. Some of the Quranic verses of Surah Hujurat are: إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يُنَادُونَكَ مِنْ وَرَاءِ الْحُجُرَاتِ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْقِلُونَ. Which translates to undoubtedly those who call you from behind your apartments, most of them are stupid. This specific Quranic verse teaches us to not call people out of their apartments in loud voices and disturb them. It teaches us to respect their privacy and their boundaries. And another ayah which translates to which states: Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu in ja'akum fasiqun biniba'in fatabayyanu an tusibu qawman bijahalatin fatusbihu ala ma fa'altum nadimin. Which translates to: O believers, if any disobedient comes to you with any news, make a strict inquiry, lest you may hurt any people improperly, then remain repenting on what you have done. It teaches us to not believe in any